Alright, my name is Aaron Pollocky. This is my GTR.
Driving so fast, coming out of the mid. Popping the clutch like it's Tokyo Drift. Get on my ride, so I stole your bitch. Call me DK, I'm drifting the shit. Car drop, fuck cops, drop top, no locks. All night, no stop. Underground street shit, fuck the ops. They can't catch me, all these gears I bang. 350Z, the boomerang.
What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I just got off work. I'm headed to the Nissan dealership. Today could very well be the day that I get my GTR. I'm hoping everything goes good. I'm headed there now, so I'm gonna update you guys when I get there if everything's going good. And I'm just like crossing my fingers, like praying that everything works out. Alright guys, so I'm at Nissan right now. It's been a couple hours here, stressful as fuck. Like, I've been shaking, like so nervous that I was not gonna get approved or whatever. But it looks like I just got approved to get the GTR, so the GTR is mine. This is what it looks like. I'm literally shaking right now. Like, I cannot even believe this. I'm gonna go inside and finish up some stuff, but thank you. All right, guys. So Walter, you're a GTR specialist, right?
Yeah. I'm the inventory manager and the GTR specialist.
So he actually sold Phase Adapt his GTR. Alex. So he sold Phase his GTR, and he's gonna take me along in the GTR that I'm buying and show me some stuff around it and stuff. Is there a way to disable that beeping?
No, and the reason it is it wants you to know that you're in reverse.
Do they all do that?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm literally like so surprised. I'm like shaking that.
Yeah, that's okay. I've been there before. I know what it feels like. This is 4.1 inches off the ground.
Okay.
So when you see speed bumps, you don't want to hit them straight on.
Damn.
That
comes up quick.
I'm not even trying. I didn't even downshift it. I just put my foot in the throttle. That was 95.
Dude,
I'm not even trying.
That was automatic.
Yeah, I'm not even trying. Okay. I want to see how fast I'm going. I want to see where the boost is.
That's fucking wild.
That's 115 miles an
No
hour.
way.
Yeah, it was.
Oh my god.
And that was that quick, so that was about 3 seconds.
Alright, so just got the GTR. About to hit this fucking gong. Ready for this? Yes, sir. Alright, so I had to come back. We had to figure out some stuff that we had to do in the morning. But, what's the deal? What is it? It's official?
It's official. All you need is a whistle.
Alright guys, I just got off the lot at the dealership. I'm literally laughing like hysterically that this is actually like a dream come true. Like, I cannot believe that I own a GTR now. Like, I'm just gonna show my friends today, like take it around. I'm headed to Derek's house right now. I'm actually like about to pull up to his house. I'm gonna get his reaction and like probably Dylan's reaction too. And then probably just gonna bob around. Let's get some video of that. Hello, Derek. Hello, Maya. Derek, what do you think?
It's kind of ugly. What an ugly car. Jeez. It's probably slow, right? Didn't you get anything better than that?
Alright, Derek, what do you think? What are your thoughts?
I think it's kind of slow.
Oh, he hasn't even ridden in it yet. Oh my god, I'm in love with this car. That's all that's all you had to say.
Yeah, kind of slow, kind of ugly.
Dylan just pulled up in the Tesla. So quiet. Ooh. So quiet. Dylan?
My boy has got a GTR.
My fucking guy.
Oh, dude.
You like it?
I do. I hear it's got white seats.
It has, yeah, like gray, white.
Joining the white seat game.
I am. It's like gray seats. Just press that button.
I got GTR handles too, buddy.
Yeah, I know you do. Model 3s actually do have GTR. So, boys are in the car.
Yep.
Gang, gang. I'm somewhat in here. Nothing crazy, Aaron. I could die back here.
You could die back there. I probably shouldn't be recording this and driving at the same time. Here, you wanna...
Yeah.
You know. Oh, come on. You grabbed it by the lens, bro.
No, I didn't.
Nice guy.
Okay.
Where are there not cops?
This is Gilbert. They're everywhere.
Yeah, there's one right there actually.
Where?
I think.
Where?
Yep.
We're literally right there.
Yeah, right there. Just drive
You
normal.
have terrible cop radar. You need to get that shit, Aaron.
I almost.
I wouldn't hit it yet, dude.
Don't hit it yet?
Cop's still there. I mean, you do you.
You got it.
Alright.
Thoughts?
I don't have any thoughts.
No thoughts? Does your head go back when I go?
Oh, yeah,
Does it
dude.
go
I
like-
hit the glass like 3 times.
What about you?
Oh yeah.
No notes. No notes.
Alright, so I took Derek and Dylan on a ride. My camera's literally about to die, so I'm going to switch over to the Sony. But I hope I'm in focus. I hope I'm in focus, I can't tell.
I think so.
I think I'm in focus. Okay, so I'm going to switch over to this camera. We're just going to have a little photo shoot right now. Got the cars all posted up by the silos? Silo, that's what it's called, silos. The smile, I can't stop smiling. Like, I cannot believe that I'm in a GTR right now and that it's mine. Like, the amount of work and like how hard what I put into getting this car, it all paid off. And the feeling that you feel after after I feel like achieving this goal is incredible. First, this is like really scary to drive right now because it's actually really simple to drive, but there's just so many buttons and stuff, and I'm just like learning the car still. Even the AC looks like, I don't even know, it's confusing. I don't know. Let's get some action. That is fucking wild. It just goes. It just wants to go. I can't believe that I'm in this car right now. I'm sorry I keep saying that. It's just, this is a dream come true, and I'm so happy that I can like share this with you guys. I really couldn't have done this if I didn't start my YouTube channel. Not that I paid for this with YouTube money, because I'm not making anything on YouTube right now, but if I didn't start, we're gonna get into this in a second. I'm headed to a spot that means a lot to me, and I feel like it's the perfect place to do this video that I want to do. I want to explain to you guys how I was able to get this car at 20 years old. Alright, so I'm at the spot. The reason that I want to film this video here is because this place is very special to me. I know it just looks like a bunch of like buildings and I don't know, like loading docks, but it's pretty special to me because This is the first spot that I got to film a Nissan GTR. And it's crazy that today, 2 years ago, I was here filming, working for somebody for free, literally filming a Nissan GTR. And today, that's my GTR at the same spot. But like, I don't know, it's just crazy. So I'm gonna hop into this video now and talk to you guys about how I was able to buy this car at 20 years old. All right, my name is Aaron Pollocky. I'm 20 years old and this is my GTR. How was I able to get this car at 20 years old? So let's go way back 2 years ago, beginning of my senior year. All my friends around me are getting ready for college. They're getting these letters in the mail like, oh, you're accepted, blah, blah, blah. People are asking me, oh, what are you doing? I'm like, I don't know. Like, I don't know what I'm doing in life. Like, I'm stressing out. I'm like, I don't even know where to begin. Do I want to do like business school? Like, I don't even know. I was in a mess or whatever, right? I didn't know where to go. One night, I kid you not, one night, I'm on YouTube. I see this video by Tanner Fox, how I bought my dream car at 16 years old. This video changed my life, right? I watch this video, I get inspired, right? I'm like, all right, this kid's making money on YouTube. How do I get into YouTube? I like cars and I need a camera, right? So I can, maybe I can film cars. I'm like, oh, that's cool, then I'll post it, right? So anyways, I'm working at the ice rink. I'm like, all right, I need to save up for a camera or a drone or something so that I can make some cool footage. Drones were really hot back then. So the first thing that I bought was a drone. So I save up some money. I'm making minimum wage. I'm grinding it out at the ice rink. And I get this drone. I work with some realtors. I'm saving money. I buy a computer. I get some editing software. Now I can edit drone footage and give it to the client instead of just giving them footage. So now I can charge more, right? Then I save up and I buy a camera. So now I have the camera and I'm like, all right, I can finally shoot car videos. I also bought a stabilizer, but anyways, I start by filming like 240s, BMWs, like just like regular cars that are cool, like some hot boy cars that are just cool, like, I don't want to say basic because they're not basic, but just like a cool car for people my age. A cool car for people my age. So I start filming these cars and then I slowly work my way up, right? I'm at my house one night. It's like 11 o'clock at night. It's super late. I see a GTR roll past me. I'm like, oh shit, I want to film that car. I'm like, all right, if I film that car, I could probably film another GTR. And maybe I can even ride in his GTR, right? So I get in my car, I go to this guy's house. It's 11 o'clock at night. I beat him like to his house. He's opening his garage. I get out of my car. I must have looked so weird. I come up to this guy and I'm like, hey man, my name's Aaron. I live down the street. I'm getting into like filming and photography and I was wondering if I could shoot your car, like for free. I'll even edit it to whatever song you want. That's how like determined I was to get this shoot, right? It was a free shoot, but I just wanted to get this shoot with a GTR because that was my dream car. So anyways, we do the shoot and it's here, right? And that's why I brought you guys here, because that was the big shoot that was like the beginning shoot that started my whole ramp of how I got these higher and higher on the ladder with shooting these cars, right? So I started it here. I filmed this video, then that led to another video, then that led to filming more videos like with Ferraris and like Lamborghinis, and then to where I am now, right? So that's why I brought it here, because this is like where it all started, with filming my dream car. So I don't do stocks. I don't do real estate investing. I don't do anything like that. I'm a regular guy that just has a dream of doing YouTube, right? So now I've made it to owning my dream car. So that's how I did it. And I'm super excited because this is what I want to do in life. I want to do YouTube. I want to do vlogs, and I want to share my life with people who enjoy watching my life. And I want to do crazy stuff, like crazy videos with the GTR, me drifting, stuff like that. And I just want to share that. And that's what I want to do with my life. I'm thankful for all you guys, and I'm really thankful that you guys watch my videos. I've surrounded myself from that day that I've had this dream with people who only support my dream. If there was one person who laughed at me for doing what I love doing, they were out of my life. And that's why my circle is so small, because everybody in all my friends all push me to be better and push me and motivate me to film or to do work or anything like that. And that's how I got to having this car today. So I thank you guys for watching this video. There's gonna be a ton of videos coming up with this car, starting with racing like my friend's Tesla, racing my friend's M4, all that stuff this week. I'm gonna try to get it up. I'm gonna try to start uploading once a week like I know I said I was going to. It's just been super hard. I've been grinding to get this car, but now I have it. Now I need to film it and do viral stuff with it. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends about this channel. Tell your friends about me. DM me on Instagram. Tell me how you like this video. I'll answer all the DMs. I love hearing from you guys, especially when you guys are like, oh, I just watched your video. Like that's awesome to me, because it's like somebody's watching my video. I love that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next week.
Driving so fast, coming out of the mid, popping the clutch like it's Tokyo Drift. Chill on my ride, so I stole your bitch. Call me DK, I'm drifting the shit. Car drop, fuck cops, drop top, no locks, all night, no stop. Underground street shit.